You guys gotta see this. Left-hand corner. Look at it. It comes out of the water and goes back into the water. Left-hand corner. Boom. Comes out of the water, back into the water. Another one. Out of the water, into the water, guys. This is nuts. It looks like it came from them two lights. Wow, did you see that, guys? Them lights, man. I don't even want to say it, but I don't even want to say it. Look at that light. Watch it. The one on the beach. Dude, that's crazy. That's insane. I've filmed these things before, guys. But never like this. Look at them things. Oh my God.